Hi, it's Julie coming to you from the Foothills Reno. Just wanted to quickly give you an update now that the painters have finished, more or less. So you can see over there where the carport is, there was a massive tree leaning on the house there, so we got rid of that right at the start. Now that's looking a lot clearer, and the painters have painted the driveway for me. The outside rendered walls have all been painted and it looks beautiful. And we've got new paint on the gutters and fascias, on the screen door and on the front door. Got a new door handle here too, so all looking clean and fresh, which is very encouraging. These beautiful big windows that I saw right at the beginning, I knew that they would end up looking good, so I'm very happy to say that they do. Obviously got a lot of cleaning up still to do. We've mortared in the bricks in that fireplace so it looks a bit neater and painted it, which has come up looking quite nice. We're getting new grills put in on the aircon outlets. Today the kitchen got installed. It's not quite finished, but we're making good progress here, so that's all very exciting. I'm very happy to see, like, it's a small house, small kitchen, lots of cupboards really, so very happy with that. Not much has happened in the laundry, although obviously the paint looks really nice. We've fixed the laundry door, which didn't open, and we've fixed the screen door beyond it, so that's really nice. Bedroom 2, nicely painted. Next, on Monday and Tuesday, the flooring will be going in. We're getting some carpet in there. We're getting vinyl planks down here. Master bedroom, really nice big room, so I look forward to seeing this when it's staged because I think it's going to look really good. The the mirror sliding doors, I thought they looked okay when the rest of the place looked like crap, but what I thought was white frames ended up being just a dirty looking beige, so my painters have painted those for me, which is very nice. And then the third bedroom, just nicely painted. Ceilings are all nicely painted. So I'm very happy with the progress and now starting to see some actual results, which is very exciting. Beautiful big tree out in the backyard. We got rid of the lattice that closed off the backyard and made this feel really closed in. The lattice has been painted a nice light colour to make it friendlier. The patio got painted as well, and the shed and the fences. So on the weekend we'll be trying to sort out the gardens, see what we can do there on a budget, so that'll be an interesting one. I haven't got an answer to that just yet, but yeah, I just wanted to share this nice progress with you today. That's the other thing, we just got rid of a big tree stump out here that was probably, I don't know, 1.5 meters tall, so really quite blocking the view from the lounge room window. They'll come back on the weekend and grind that stump out. There was a lot of rubble and piles of trunks and all sorts there, so now that's all gone as well. So we're really starting to see the clearness, which is very exciting. All right, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.